Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Elevation School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. Our today's topic is exercise 6.2 word problem number 17. My dear student, today is our lecture number 28 of annual term and today's SW number will be 27. Before starting our class, my dear student, open your math book at page number 119. We shall solve question number 17. It is your CW and it is SW also. I have already written this word problem on the board. Okay, so let us start first. At first we read the question. Here 17. The length of a rectangle is 25 meter more than breadth. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 150 meter, find the length and breadth of the rectangle. My dear students, do you understand what the question asks you to find? We need to find the length and breadth of the rectangle, and there are two conditions. The first condition is the length of a rectangle is 25 meter more than its breadth, and the second condition is the perimeter of the rectangle is 150. My dear student, notice length of a rectangle is 25 meter more than its breadth. That means breadth is smaller than length. So first of all we consider the breadth of the rectangle is x meter. Then what will be the length? Length is 25 meter more. That means x equal to y plus 25 meter. I hope you have understood. So let us start solution. At first you write, let the breadth of the rectangle is y meter. Okay, the breadth of the rectangle is y meter. Then what will be the length? So write according to the condition. To the condition. Before starting to write according to the condition, you must write and the breadth of the rectangle is x meter. So there are two conditions. This is first condition and this is second condition. So at first we write the first condition. According to the, so you write according to the first condition. Notice x is length. So x is 25 meter more. That means 25 meter more. That means plus 25 meter more than breadth. Here breadth is y meter. So from this we write, we change the position of y, that means x minus y equal to 25, and this is equation number 1. I hope you have understood. Next we shall write the second condition. That means we write according to the second condition. Notice the perimeter of the rectangle is 150 meter. My dear students, what is the formula of perimeter of a rectangle? The perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus width. I repeat, the perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into length plus width. Here length is x meter and breadth is y meter. So what will be? The perimeter of the rectangle will be 2 into x plus y. I hope you have understood. 2 into x plus y. It is the formula, and given perimeter is 150 meters. So this 2 into x plus y and 150 meter is same. Okay. Now here we solve x plus y. Notice 2 is here, so we transfer its position and go to the right hand side and it will be division. That means we divide 150 by 2. 150 by 2. If we divide 150 by 2, then what we will get? Here x plus y equal to 7 2s are 14. 110, that means in 10 2 goes in 5 times. So x plus y equal to 75. It is the second equation. I hope you have understood. Now we solve first equation and second equation. We shall solve first equation and second equation. Multiply. Student, notice here x minus y equal to 25. Here x plus y equal to 75. If we multiply equation number 1 by 1 and if we multiply equation number 2 by 1 and finally we add, then what we get? If we multiply 1 by this equation, then we get x minus y equal to 25. If we multiply equation number 2 by 1, then we get x plus y equal to 75. And if we add, then what we get? Here plus y, here minus y. This plus y plus minus y are cut and left the value of x only. Okay? And next we shall solve and we find the value of x. So now you notice, multiplying equation 1 by 1 and multiplying equation 2 by 1 and then add. Now you notice, if we multiply this equation by 1, then we get x minus y equal to 25. X minus y equal to 25. If we multiply this x plus y equal to 75 by 1, then we get the same equation, x plus y equal to 75. And finally we add. Now we notice, if we add, here plus y, here minus y. So plus y minus y cut and left here 2x. My dear students, here 2x. And if we add these two numbers, 25 with 75, we get 100. Now we calculate, my dear students. Okay. Twice x equal to 100. So we need to the value of x only. So to change its position, that means it go to the right hand side and division will be happen. That means x equal to 100 divided by 2. My dear students, now we divide 100 by 2 and we get, therefore x equal to 50. That means in tens 2 goes in 5 times and 0 2 goes in 0 times. That means 50 is the length of the rectangle. Now we put the value of x in any of the equation. That means here equation number 2, here equation number 1 and here equation number 2. Any equation we put the value of x. So we put the putting the value of x in equation 2. My dear student, putting the value of equation x in equation number 2. Here x plus y equal to 75. So what is the value of x? The value of x is 50. So write 50 and plus y equal to 75. My dear students, now you notice 50 plus y equal to 75. We need the value of y only. For this reason 50 change its position. If it changes position, that means if it go to the right hand side, then it will be subtraction. That means here 50 is in plus sign. If it changes position, then it will be in minus sign. So write y equal to 75 minus 50. Now we subtract 50 from 75. If we subtract 50 from 75, then we get y equal to 25. I hope you have understood. So the length of the rectangle is 50 meter and the breadth of the rectangle is 25 meter. I hope you have understood. Now you notice, find the length and breadth of the rectangle. We have already find. So now we write answer. Answer, length 50 meter and breadth 25 meter. Okay, my dear students, I hope you have understood. This is CW and this is your SW also. So you must do your assigned SW in SW copy and submit it regularly by your guardians. Your guardians or any other person can submit your SW in our school library in every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM. So my dear student, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.